Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about finding products that help you shine inside and out. Today, we've got something that's perfect for those who love bold, statement-making lips. Wet n Wild Glitter Lipstick in Poison Ivy. If you're someone who loves a little sparkle with your color, then this might just be your next obsession. Now let's dive into what makes this lipstick stand out. Poison Ivy is all about high-impact glitter in a velvety, non-gritty formula. It's a jewel-toned, vibrant green shade that catches the light from every angle. No more worrying about glitter fallout or that uncomfortable texture. Wet n Wild has created a formula that feels as smooth as cream while still delivering that glittery pop. I'll admit, when I first heard about a glitter lipstick, I was a little skeptical. Glitter can sometimes feel gritty or overly heavy, but this? It's soft, smooth, and surprisingly comfortable on the lips. When it comes to Poison Ivy, the color payoff is intense. You get a deep, emerald green that's rich in pigment without having to layer it on. It's a striking hue, but still wearable if you're into bold lips. The glitter aspect gives it that high shine finish, almost like a gloss, but with the staying power of a lipstick. I wore it for hours, and even though it's a glitter formula, it didn't feel drying at all. It stayed put and didn't crumble as I've experienced with other glitter lipsticks. Let's talk about the texture. The formula is surprisingly smooth for a glitter lipstick. There's none of that grainy feel that can make glitter lip products so uncomfortable. It glides on easily, and the finish is even, so you don't have to worry about patches or uneven glitter distribution. It's a creamy, velvety texture that's really unlike most glitter formulas out there. Now, as with any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the pigment is bold, the glitter is the star of the show, so if you're looking for something more subtle, this might not be for you. The green shade is very vibrant, which is perfect if you love making a statement, but it's not your classic, everyday neutral. The value for money here is pretty solid, considering the quality of the product. Wet n Wild offers cruelty-free high-pigment products that are affordable, and this lipstick is no exception. Given the performance, texture, and unique formula, I'd say it's worth the price, especially for those who love adding a little sparkle to their look without breaking the bank. If you're on the hunt for a similar product, there are a few alternatives to consider, though none really quite match the smoothness of this particular formula. Some other glitter lipsticks out there can be a bit more gritty or less pigmented, so if you want that smooth feel, combined with intense color and shine, this is a top contender. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some other glitter glosses that give a more subtle effect, though they won't deliver the same intense finish as this one. As for longevity, I didn't experience any major issues. It held up well throughout the day, even with eating and drinking, although I did need to touch up a bit after a few hours. The glitter didn't migrate outside my lip lines, which is always a huge plus when you're dealing with sparkly formulas. And let's talk packaging for a moment. Wet n Wild keeps it simple and sleek with their standard lipstick tube, but it feels sturdy enough. I appreciate that the packaging is clean, and the lipstick itself is easy to apply thanks to the shape and design. Before I wrap up, just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying this review and want to see more honest, in-depth beauty content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support means a lot and helps us keep bringing you reviews like this. To sum it up, Wet n Wild Glitter Lipstick in Poison Ivy is a bold, eye-catching lipstick that's perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. The creamy, glittery texture feels comfortable on the lips and provides a high-shine, pigmented finish that's perfect for night outs, special occasions, or whenever you want your lips to stand out. It's affordable, cruelty-free, and definitely worth checking out if you love high-impact lip colors. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried this glitter lipstick, or are you planning to? Let me know. I'd love to hear about your experience with it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.